Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So today is Freestyle Friday, y'all. No, I'm just joking, y'all. There's no Freestyle Friday yet. But I have been thinking about a Freestyle Friday because people be asking me, don't I like FPV anymore? And what's up with the FPV video and all of that stuff? But I haven't been posting any FPV videos. Maybe one or two I have some time ago. But I still actually fly FPV. But the problem is I fly FPV near my house. And it's a lot of litter bugs in my area. So that back alleyway and that strip that I used to fly on is even more trashier and messed up than it was when I was flying it already. And so I just don't desire to post that kind of content anymore, you know, with all of that litter and stuff all over the place. I feel like it takes down the quality of the channel, and so I've been just restricting my videos to coming out here for the most part, unless I'm running a land vehicle. I maybe might take it like near the Home Depot area, whatnot, because it's less litter bugs walking through there. There's even litter bugs out here. It's really sickening. I can see somebody threw a water bottle down there and a few other things. But anyhow, I'm out here to fly some FPV. So I brought out the HGLRC PARROT 120, a little toothpick, one of the last ones that I got, a freestyle, or yeah, I guess you can call this a freestyle toothpick or whatnot. But FPV nevertheless. And so I got a few packs out here, 2 packs. I just bought one for backup. Really not going to do a long flight with it, just a little FPV. It's a moist morning out here. I don't know if this was from the rain or if it's just morning dew. It has to be rain because the ground is wet, very wet, and this bench here is very wet. I don't really have a place to sit, so bear with me, y'all. I don't have anywhere to sit. I'm squatting over here. I'm about to fly it, squatting. Anyhow, let's get this guy up in the air. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in me doing a Freestyle Friday. If that's a good, sounds like a good idea for you. Oh, great. This battery don't seem like it's going to hold up too long. It's telling me to land now. I just took off. I guess we're gonna have to use a different pack. Let's see, hopefully this one holds out a little longer. These batteries are super old. I have to get me some new batteries or go larger. I actually have some larger batteries. I'll go to 2S. This is 3S. It says battery full, you guys see. When I take off with it, okay, this one isn't screaming. Oh yeah, it is. So both of these batteries are shot. Maybe if I take it easy and cruise with it. And so I guess my freestyle skills are just trash now. I'll pick this guy up. So that's the best I can do with this guy now. Given the batteries I have to upgrade my batteries or update my batteries, get restocked with them, get me some better batteries, get me some GMB batteries, by the way, because these batteries are generic brand batteries. Well, HGLRC. This other battery, I don't know what this other yellow and black battery is. Crazy Pony. But these things are super old. They were working well when I first got them, but that's all I could give you guys right now on this Friday. Maybe a little later I might come back and do some more freestyling with this, the HGLRC PARROT 120. Thanks for watching.